Distinguished Senator,
Well, it is to be expected. And the quality of the people coming into the party for us is very exciting. When Senator Agbola came to see me, he pointed the main reason for coming is the performance of the president, Bola Ahmed Tinubu. That's what he said. Honestly, that's what he said. You know? And I said, what do you mean? How do you mean? He said, if you look at the country 12 months ago and now, we now have a stable macroeconomy. You see, the prices are coming down. This is what he said. But he's a businessman, so prices are coming down.
And I believe the most APC will clear state in Nigeria, even in the state.
What's your advice for other parties that are still on the fence?
Every party that are not APC should leave their party and join APC. This is the only party in this country that can save this country from all this mess. So I advise everybody in this state to align with APC in everything.
From before you can see we are in disarray, but now the president has done the needful. He has been all the stakeholders, all the players of APC in Oyo State. They brought everybody together, because if you look where we are today, you can see the Minister of Power, you can see our Guba candidate in 2023. So all the players and all stakeholders in Oyo APC have been brought together. Now I can attest to you and tell you that today APC is one family.